Well, hello YouTube. How you doing? This is Eli coming at you, and it's a really nice evening. Just temperature's just perfect. Just sit out here and look at the big gigantic pond / lake, whatever they want to call it. I don't know what they're calling it. It's called a summer lake, but to me it's more of like a retention pond. Big and gigantic one, but a retention pond nonetheless, but still nice and calming. Sun's gonna set here soon, and well, might as well crack some Select. So, hope everybody's having a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is going on with you. I'm having fun. We got Matt Ryan, Farrell Cooper, Adam Haas. Shout out to you, bud. Let's see. Ooh, Frank Gore. Let's go Colts. All right. Got a Julian Edelman in the back. Boo, Patriots. I mean, we got some red, flashy Vincent Jackson. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh. Well, there you go. That's 97 out of 99. There we go. Nice stuff. Red flashy. All right, we've done one. Let's do another one. Let's get another pack going. See what we get here. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Let's see. We'll bring the back to the front here. Ooh, Carlos Hyde. Nice flashy looking cards. Shout out to Cool Toads. Demaryius Thomas. Nice stuff there. Oop, another rookie Tyreek Hill. Look at that. Nice. Got a Ray Lewis. And behind that, what do we got here? What? Charles Haley, 10 out of 15. Charles freaking Haley. Dude! Look at that. Oh man. That is sick. That is super sick. 10 out of 15. You know, that's exactly 2/3 of 15. That's like, I don't know, an eBay 1 of 1. Yeah, that stuff just pisses me off too. It's an eBay 101. Well, it's 2/3 exactly. It's an eBay 101. Dude, Charles Haley. Dude was a beast. Look at that. Sick, nasty. All right. I cannot complain, fellas. I cannot complain. Beautiful stuff. Select rocks and rolls. Here, let's get another look. Whoop. Yeah. Look at that. Wish there was a little more natural light out here. Maybe carry a little bit more. That's sick nasty. All right, Faith Family Football. Thanks for watching. Peace.